Go.
All right, we are gonna start by each going with 3 cards because this is a 2-digit factor and this one is a single-digit factor. So I'm gonna draw 3. Doesn't matter if my partner sees them. And I'm gonna create a 2-digit factor. I think I'm gonna go with 53 times 7. Then Mr. Springman's gonna draw.
I also am gonna take 3 cards. Ooh, I'm gonna go 41 times 6.
All right, so I'm gonna take my 53, and just like we've been practicing with estimating the product, I'm gonna round to the largest place. So that 3 is gonna keep that 5 as a 5. So that factor is gonna become 50. I don't need to do anything with this factor because it's a multiplication factor. I can do that in my head. That's gonna stay as a 7. 50 times 7, I know, is 350. I'm gonna go over to my Connect 4 board and hope to find a 350. It won't always be there. And as I'm looking, I don't see 350. My partner can help me find, oh, I do see it. So I'm gonna go X's if that's okay with you, Mr. Springman.
Absolutely.
What do you have?
All right, so I have 41 times 6. The 41 rounds to a 40 because the 4 stays the same. My 6 stays like that. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus a 0 makes it 240. So I'm gonna find 240 on my board and I'm gonna go O.
Now the next round will change a little bit. These cards have already been played with, so we're gonna put those in a pile so we don't continue to use those. This is gonna change a little bit. We gotta look at our factors. We have a 3-digit factor here and a 1-digit factor. So 3 plus 1 is 4. I'm gonna draw 4, and it doesn't matter if Mr. Springman sees those. I am going to make, and I'm trying to make my highest product possible. So I'm gonna go 763 times 7. And 763, that 6 is gonna push that 7 to an 8. This factor will become 800 and the 7 will stay the same. So I'm gonna write in 800 times 7. 7 times 8 is 56. 2 zeros, 5,600. And I hope that it's close to my X.
Right there. I have 731 times 2. Round my 731 to 700 times 2 means 7 times 2 is 14 with 2 zeros. So 1,400 is my number. And I'm sure I'd find it somewhere on there. But rather than taking all this video to find it, we'll keep going.